Hi everyone, this is IB360. In this video, I'll be showing you my Excel-based CGPA calculator and I'm going to show you how it works. So let's dive into work. These are the columns. You have the serial number, the course code, the credit, the grade, point, remarks, and these are the CGPA and class of degree cells. So you want to input your course codes in order to be able to track your progress, but basically it is the credit column and the grade column that really determines the output here. Now look at the credit cell. There is an information there. It says enter course unit. How many unit course? In these cells, in all the cells in this credit column, you are expected to input only small whole numbers. Anything other than that, the calculator is going to complain. So let's assume you try to input a text instead of a whole number. Look at it, it says only small whole numbers are allowed. The reason why I restrict this calculator from accepting all input from users is that I don't want users to maybe deliberately or accidentally input things that are not supposed to be in the cells inside them. And I also did the same thing for this grade column. You can't input anything other than A, B, C, D, E, or F. So let's assume you try to put long text. You can see it's complaining only grade A, B, C, D, E, or F is allowed. Likewise, you cannot put a number there. It's going to complain. It says only grade A, B, C, D, E, or F are allowed. So I create third drop down here that allow you to choose your grade. So let's say the student gets A here and the course credit is 3. Watch how these are going to change as well as this. These are already changed to a pass remark because the student got an A. So look at it. He has a 5.0 and a class of degree of first class. So let's continue. So let's say this time around, student gets a grade of E, and look at he still passed despite getting an E. So and the course credit is 1. You can see. So he now has a GPA of 4.0 and a class of degree of second class upper. Now let's say the school didn't release results in order. They didn't release results orderly. So instead of releasing the results of Math 115 first, they released the results for ZLY 101. So that's not a problem for the CGPA calculator. It knows how it is going to handle that. So let's say the student got a B here and in a 2-unit course. Can you see the changes? Can you see that it still has a CGPA of 4.0? And the school decided to release the results for Math 115 and the student got a F. Can you see that this has changed to fail instead of pass? Now, and let's say the course is a 3-unit course. You can see that is massive. The GPA reduced drastically from 4.0 to 2.67. Another thing I want you to take note here is that as you can see that this thing is not case sensitive. So it doesn't mean maybe you write a capital letter or you write a small letter, the result is still the same. Then the result of Physics 115 comes out. And guess what? The student gets a F again. And again in a 3-unit course. Can you see the changes? This has changed to 2.0 CGPA and a 3rd class. As you can see, this is also recording a fail for a student. Then the student decide to read so hard, and this time he has A and in a 3-unit course. So here you can see, so the the CGPA is now 2.60 and class of degree of second class lower. So as you can see, this calculator is built for accuracy, speed, and of course it is user friendly, and it is also smart because it doesn't allow you to input irrelevant or some things that are not adequate in the respective cells. And lastly, one improvement that I've made to this calculator is that you cannot type in these cells. You cannot select them. You cannot work in these cells in this, and this. Why? This is because I don't want users to accidentally or deliberately type in these columns and in these cells, because in these columns and cells are formulas. So typing in them will break down the code, and you don't want that to happen. So this is the GPA calculator, and it is very cool and nice. So this is where we draw the curtain. Thanks for your time and attention. So for comments and relevant discussions, feel free to mail highb360t@gmail.com. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos, for more interesting and insightful videos. Thank you. See you next time.